We're trying to move to the States.
We're trying?
They let us next year.
They let you. You're the German.
Mm-hmm.
We're leaving Germany and we're moving to the United States to build a homestead.
Yeah, an even bigger one.
Yeah.
An XX times 10,000 L.
Hi, Bella. How you doing? How you doing? We're gonna make some burgers tonight. You want a burger? Oh, you do? Why don't you start scratching Bella behind the ears? She don't like you when you stop. She'll do that to you every time, won't you? Yes, you will. Yes, you will. So I'm American. My wife's German. My name's Dan. What's your name?
My name is Karina.
Yeah, I've been living here for almost 6 years. Moved here right before COVID, and during all the beautiful COVID fun that we all had, we really got interested in the homesteading life. We lived in an apartment in the inner city, and we started growing a little bit of things in the apartment just for fun. Disconnected. Very nice. And we really loved it. It was a lot of fun. And we decided we wanted to do that more. And we moved to a bigger apartment with 2 huge balconies so we could do more of that. And then we got dogs. We got our Bonnie and our Bella, and we realized we need a backyard for them. Even though we're moving to the States in a year, we didn't want them to hang out in a 3rd-story apartment with just balconies and just walks every day. It's not that fun. So we got a different apartment with a backyard, all to ourselves. So now we're practicing the homesteading skills and activities as much as we can before we move. So I'm from Michigan in the United States. We're gonna move in with my dad for a little bit when we move there while we hunt down our property. We've been looking at stuff nonstop while we're here, but you know, until you're actually there and can actually see everything in person, you can't really make a decision. So we're gonna move there. It looks like, based on the timing of all the documentation, we'll be able to make the move in June next year, maybe. And so in the meantime, we're gonna keep doing stuff here. We're gonna take you guys for the ride. We'll even talk about the immigration process for any of you that are going through the same pain in the ass struggle. It's not that easy. We've been married for 3 years, and I'm an American citizen, and for some reason it still takes 2 years to be able to get my wife over there. So, you know, it is what it is. We're doing everything correctly. We're doing everything legally, and because we don't want any issues. So, yeah, we're gonna travel over there with the dogs together and bless Dad with the 2 of us and the 2 dogs. Luckily, he's got a lot of space, and he's happy to have us because he wasn't too excited when I moved here without really telling him it was a move. Said I was coming for a visit and then stayed for 6 years. He didn't like that. So, moving back to my dad, my brother, my mom. My mom moved to Florida, so we're actually gonna just be visiting her over there. But yeah, we'll be in Michigan in a year. And you know, we're new to all of this. So we're happy with tips, tricks, anything you guys can tell us. We just want to document everything, so that's why we made the YouTube channel, and we want to be able to look back on all the failures we made and see if we can turn them all into successes. So appreciate everybody that's watching. We both do. And yeah, thanks for hanging out.
Okay.
So
Do it.
the German wife is going to show you how to make the perfect burger. This may be a little controversial, but you're just gonna have to live with it because it's the perfect burger. We don't agree on everything, but this we do agree on. And don't come at me about the white cheddar. White cheddar is correct. That's the way it goes. Okay, so we got lettuce. No, we got mayo, lettuce, burger, tomato, onion. Don't forget the ketchup. A little bit of ketchup. Essential. She's stealing the pickles for herself. Some pickles. Some fresh sliced jalapenos. You did not get that shit in the jar. No jarred jalapenos. Fresh jalapenos. And then some mayo on top. And that is exactly how I make my burger as well. And that is the perfect burger. At least in our opinion. You can let us know how you guys make yours.
Mm.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.